In the heart of every cat lover's home lies a feline friend, an enigma wrapped in fur that rules our hearts with an iron paw. But have you ever stopped to ponder where these enigmatic creatures originated? What forces shaped them into the independent, curious beings they are today? Join us as we take you on an exciting journey through time, uncovering the secrets of their prehistoric past and revealing the fascinating evolution that led to the domestication of your favorite kitty cat. Picture yourself in a world where saber-toothed cats roam free, their roars echoing through dense primeval forests. Meet Smilodon, the saber-toothed cat, a true apex predator that stalked the Earth during the Pleistocene epoch. This massive cat, with its distinctive long and curved canine teeth, was the king of its domain. With a weight comparable to modern-day lions, Smilodon was not only a fearsome hunter, but also an iconic symbol of the power and magnificence of wild cats. As the story of cats unfolds, we will witness their incredible ability to adapt and survive. Cats have always been predators, hunters by instinct. In a world filled with giant sloth-like creatures called megatherium, Smilodon found plenty to hunt. These woolly mammoths were herbivores, so they attracted many predators, including Smilodon. The sight of these great beasts grazing on vegetation would have been a common occurrence in those bygone eras. Smilodon was more than just a fearsome hunter. It was an integral part of the ecosystem, keeping prey populations in check and ensuring the balance of nature. As you delve deeper into the world of the saber-tooth, you'll learn about its unique adaptations, its hunting techniques, and its place in the intricate web of life. But life on Earth was not always easy. The Earth's climate was in a constant state of flux, with dramatic shifts that could spell survival or extinction for the species that inhabited it. One such period of intense change was the beginning of the Ice Age. As temperatures plummeted and vast ice sheets spread across the landscape, the world as the saber-toothed cats knew it began to change dramatically. The familiar habitats and abundant prey turned into a frozen wasteland. But the saber-toothed cat was not one to be deterred by such challenges. With their thick fur, powerful bodies, and razor-sharp claws, they were well equipped to brave the harsh conditions of the Ice Age. Picture this. A heavy snowfall blanketing the landscape, the wind howling through the trees as the temperature drops to unimaginable lows. Amidst this frozen tundra, the saber-toothed cat prowls, its breath forming white clouds in the frigid air. Its keen eyes scanning the horizon for any sign of prey, its thick fur acting as a warm cloak against the biting cold. This is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these magnificent creatures. As the Ice Age persisted, the saber-toothed cat had to rely on its cunning and strength to survive. They adapted their hunting strategies to catch elusive prey and conserved energy when food was scarce. Their ability to endure and thrive in such harsh conditions cemented their status as true survivors. But the Ice Age did not last forever. As the climate began to warm once again, the world started to come back to life. The icy grip on the planet slowly loosened, giving way to a new era. And here's the twist that will leave you stunned. During this warming period, something extraordinary happened. A small population of cats made a remarkable transition from fearsome predators to curious companions. Yes, you heard it right. Those very cats that once roamed the earth as mighty hunters decided to switch roles. As the Ice Age ended and the climate warmed, the environment underwent significant changes. Lush vegetation returned to the landscape, creating a habitat that was more reminiscent of a tropical paradise than a frozen wasteland. And amidst this verdant beauty, a new chapter in the story of cats began to unfold. Now let's meet a new protagonist in our story, Felis sylvestris libica, the African wildcat. This small yet agile creature was the ancestor of your beloved house cat, possessing a coat of soft fur, pointy ears, and mesmerizing yellow eyes. With its sleek build and innate hunting instincts, the African wildcat was perfectly adapted to thrive in this changing environment. As the world around them transformed, The African wildcats found themselves in a unique position. Their ancestral saber-toothed cousins were no longer around to pose a threat, leaving them at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. It was during this time that a peculiar social experiment took place, a groundbreaking shift in the relationship between cats and humans. You see, as the African wildcats thrived, they began to venture closer to human settlements. Their curiosity and adaptability led them into the human realm, where an unlikely alliance began to form. Now, this may sound like a simple chance encounter, but it was actually a monumental moment in history. You see, humans and African wildcats were about to embark on a journey that would change both of their destinies forever. The wildcats were drawn to the proximity of humans, recognizing the benefits of living on the fringes of our settlements. Meanwhile, humans, with their agrarian lifestyle, found themselves increasingly plagued by rodents and other small pests that threatened their crops and stored food. Enter the African wildcat, a potential solution to this age-old problem. Humans began to appreciate the cat's natural hunting abilities and their instinctive knack for ridding the areas of pesky rodents. It was a win-win situation. The wildcats found a reliable food source near human settlements, while humans benefited from the cat's rodent hunting skills. This symbiotic relationship laid the foundation for what would eventually lead to the domestication of cats. Over time, humans started to notice certain characteristics in the African wildcats that made them particularly suited for life alongside people. Their agility, cleanliness, and independent nature made them appealing companions. Humans began to selectively breed cats with desirable traits, such as a more docile temperament, distinct coat patterns, and captivating colors. This intentional breeding led to the development of various cat breeds we know and love today, each with its unique appearance and personality. But wait, there's more to the story. Not all cats went down the path of domestication. Some chose to remain wild, fiercely independent, and untamed. The choice, as always, was theirs. It wasn't forced upon them. This divergence resulted in the array of wild cat species we have today, each uniquely adapted to its specific habitat. From the elusive leopard to the majestic tiger, wild cats continue to captivate us with their untamed spirit and raw natural beauty. And as for the house cat, well, their journey from fierce hunters to beloved companions continues to inspire awe. Felis silvestris catus, the domestic cat, is the quintessential example of adaptability and survival. Throughout history, they have exhibited remarkable resilience in the face of environmental changes and human influence. Even in the face of external threats, cats have shown an uncanny ability to bounce back. They are consummate survivors. In the distant past, they survived the tumultuous journey from Africa to the rest of the world, adapting to new environments with ease. When confronted with diseases brought by humans, they demonstrated a remarkable ability to recover and adapt. No matter the challenge, cats have shown a remarkable ability to persevere and thrive. These furry companions have managed to retain much of their wild charm, independence, and grace. Despite centuries of domestication, they continue to exhibit behaviors that remind us of their wild ancestors, from their innate hunting instincts to their playful pounces and stealthy stalking. And let's not forget about their survival instincts. Cats have an uncanny ability to land on their feet, evade danger, and navigate their surroundings with unmatched agility. This inherent nimbleness ensures their survival and captivates us with their seemingly supernatural skills. Let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer variety that exists in the feline world. Whether it's the majestic lion with its flowing mane or the stealthy panther, each species is a testament to the adaptability and diversity of cats. Their ability to thrive in various habitats and climates showcases their resilience and capacity for adaptation. And then there's the domestic cat, a beloved companion that has successfully navigated the complexities of human society. From the cozy comfort of our homes to the bustling streets of cities, domestic cats have adapted to urban life with aplomb. Their ability to coexist with humans in diverse environments is a remarkable feat of survival. Throughout history, Cats have held cultural significance in various societies. Revered in ancient Egypt as divine creatures and celebrated in folklore and mythology worldwide, their enduring presence in human culture speaks to their timeless appeal. Finally, let's not overlook the sheer determination that courses through the veins of every cat. Their tenacity is evident in their ability to overcome obstacles, whether it's leaping to new heights, exploring uncharted territories, or simply chasing that elusive ball of yarn. Cats embody the spirit of adventure and curiosity, reminding us to embrace the unknown with open paws. So the next time you look into the mesmerizing eyes of your feline companion or spot a wild cat in its natural habitat, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that brought these magnificent creatures into our lives. From the frozen landscapes of the Ice Age to the lush gardens of human settlements, their story is one of adaptation, resilience, and an enduring spirit of survival.